2/3 cup, but now you're looking for, in that, I get 12 grams of protein. And I want to find out that if I'm not quite as hungry or if I diet, how many grams of protein are going to come out of that particular setup in the problem. It could be like this. It could be a problem that talks about one class of 150 people has half of the people, or has a third of the people that are Republicans, half of the people that are communists, and a sixth of the people that are Democrats. I don't know. They can give you all kinds of measurements there. You have to pick out what it is they want you to compare. So in this case, same type of situation. We're still dealing with the 2/3 cup of cereal times X, and we're dealing with the 1/2 of the 12, giving us a value of 6. So now we're down to, again, deciding that we want to get rid of the denominator in the problem, and that puts us right back at the 2x is equal to 18. So as it turns out, then x turns out to be 9 grams of protein. Something like that in a word problem is a high probability question.
Why do we use 3 to multiply?
Pardon me?
Why do we use 3 to multiply?
Well, you're getting rid of a fraction. You have an equation that's got fractions in it. And if I don't like fractions, we cannot just erase the denominator. So we do something to undo the effect of a fraction. A fraction implies we've got a division problem. Mathematically, the operation that undoes division is multiplication. Mathematically, the operation that undoes multiplication is division. So notice here, we undid this division problem by multiplying by what's understood to be 3/1 to force the cancellation of the fraction. So maybe it was better if I did this in that problem to make sure that we recognize that the whole purpose of attacking the fractions is to get rid of the denominator. It's called fractional elimination. Mathematicians give it a really fancy name, telling you exactly what you're doing. But then back over here, you didn't blanch at all when I said I was going to divide by 2 in the problem, because we're used to seeing problems where we get rid of multiplication problems to whittle down to our variable. But it's a two-way street, so you see something you don't like, you have to do the inverse operation. So just like solving equations, when we saw an addition problem we didn't want, we subtracted both sides. We saw a subtraction problem we didn't like, we added on both sides. Same thing works with multiplication and division. So fractions are divisions, you don't like divisions, take care of the division, get rid of the division first by multiplying, then get rid of the multiplication by doing a division. Or some of you can do it in 2 for the price of 1, because I'm pretty sure that they helped me solve this, suggested that you multiply by 3/2 here, instead of taking care of the individual pieces. Because the multiplication of the reciprocal cancels the whole fraction in one step. So 2 steps, 1 step, pay me now, pay me later, as long as I get paid, I don't care. Okay? Could be that problem, could be one similar to that. Could be a different type of ratio problem, but they will tell you what you want to compare. Okay? What else?